Why I don't buy cakes? Despite being a sweet tooth, I don't buy cakes. Hello, my name is Sanjiro, a food aficionado. Many of you like to eat sweets, probably usually buy cakes in special events. However, I stopped buying cakes several years after starting learning how to bake. I don't want to force you to start baking right away because I know you need to invest in equipment to start the process. But let me tell you why I don't buy cakes. First, baking is an enjoyable activity. Many enjoy watching videos of baking beautiful cakes on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. If you enjoy watching them, you may find that baking in real life is enjoyable too. You'll be amazed by the cakes that only egg, flour, and sugar can make a sponge by yourself, and it's much cheaper to bake by yourself than buying cake from the shops. Second, baking time is therapeutic time. Apart from joy that you can obtain, baking time can be therapeutic. Sometimes I was so stressed out that I just went to kitchen and baked something to relieve stress. There are also some therapeutic baking class available too. You may try therapizing yourself in your kitchen. If you want to start, what about making some pancakes, crepes from fry pans? Third, handmade cakes can bring other joy. Like any other handmade gift, handmade cakes can bring other happiness. I make happy birthday cake to my friends and colleagues. And you know what? The best moment is when they said, "Thank you, it's so delicious." I know it sounds subjective, but I hope you can try giving your handmade cakes to someone to have that moment. Those are reasons why I don't buy cakes. I do hope you have good moments to enjoy too. If you have something you enjoy doing and can make others happy, please share me your experience in the comment below. I would be happy to hear your enjoyable activities too. And see you later!